Hello students, it is in continuation with our earlier theory part of the practical, that is verification of Ohm's law. So this one is the positive end of the supply. Here it is the positive end of the supply. It is connected to the positive end of ammeter. This is ammeter, this is voltmeter, this is our rheostat. We vary the voltage from this point by introducing the resistance, varying the value of resistance. These are the three resistance that we have got. This is the positive end of the ammeter. We take the negative end of the ammeter and connect it to the one end of the resistance. This is the R1. We will connect here. Another end of the resistance is connected to the negative and negative supply. Okay, this is connected. Now we have to connect the voltmeter in parallel to the resistance. So while connecting the voltmeter in resistance with the resistance, this is the one end of the resistance. We connect to the this positive end of the voltmeter, and other end is connected to the negative end of ammeter, this ammeter. Okay, this is our connection is complete. Now this is the power supply. We will connect with the power supply. After connecting with the power supply, we will switch on from this switch. So this is a power supply. Here the voltage is 0. With the help of this rheostat, we will vary. First of all, we keep the voltage 1 volt. Corresponding current is 2.4 milliamps. Current is connected is in milliamps, 2.4. Next is approximately we can 2 volt is 4.9. Now we keep on varying the rheostat, this one. It comes out to be up. It is very sensitive, so the knob with the little rotation of knob, it varies from 3.04 it is. So roughly we can say at 3 volt it comes out to be 7.5 milliamp. For 4 volt it is 9.8. For 5 volt it is 12.4. This is the practical demo, and now we will conclude this. Just you have to see on the blackboard. Here is our complete circuit diagram which we demonstrated. These are the readings which we just take, and on taking the reading we come to conclude that the ratio V upon I, that is resistance, is constant. It comes to be 0.416 kilo ohm, and that is V upon I is a constant. And the graph between V and I have already explained you, and with the variation of this voltage, with the variation of voltage, the current varies accordingly. So this graph comes out to be a straight line.